How to update your Huawei phone system. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your Huawei phone system easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to your settings on your phone. As you can see right here, this is my settings. Now scroll down like this and click on this system option right here. As you can see, now click on software update like this. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Check if there is a new version like this one, and then click on it like this and click install now. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.